Hey guys, here's HegoSpot. This is the iPhone unlocking tutorial, so in today's video, I'll show you how to unlock your unavailable iPhone in 3 ways. Let's get started. Here's an iPhone 11 in my hand, and I has tried to enter the passcode for 6 times, but it's all wrong. Now you can see the screen shows iPhone is unavailable and try again in 1 minute. Now you need to wait for a while. Continue to enter the wrong passcode and it has to try again in 5 minutes. After the time's out, let's enter the passcode again and you have to wait 15 minutes this time. If your iPhone lock screen shows iPhone is disabled instead of iPhone is unavailable, that means your iOS system is in iOS 15.1 or earlier. If you still can't enter your passcode correctly and your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later, here it'll show you the security lockout alert. Just like this. So the first method I'll use in this video is the Erase iPhone option to unlock your iPhone. Okay, let's see how to erase iPhone wirelessly. Before you start, you have to make sure that your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later. Your device is connected to internet, no matter a Wi-Fi or cellular data, and you need to remember your Apple ID and password. When the security lockout alert appeared, you'll see the Erase iPhone option in the right bottom corner of the screen. Now, tap Erase iPhone. It'll remind you that your iPhone is in security lockout. If you choose to erase this iPhone, it will erase all contents and setting. Alternatively, you can choose to wait 15 minutes to see if you can get lucky enter the phone. To continue, let's tap Erase iPhone again to confirm. Enter your Apple ID and password when it prompted. Then the erase process will begin. Now you can see the Apple logo, the progress bar, and it will last a little while. Once the process is done, the Apple logo will appear and the hello screen will follow. Swipe up to open. Now you can follow the assistant to set up your iPhone and use it like a new one. If the Erase iPhone has no response no matter how you tap it, maybe you don't have access to network or there is no Erase iPhone option on your unavailable or security lockout screen, the second method I'll use in this video is a third-party tool called iPhone Unlocker from Appgeeker.com, which can help you unlock your iPhone easily in 4 steps. So first, let's search for www.appgeeker.com in Google. Once you open the web browser, get into the homepage, slide down, then you can see the iPhone Unlocker. You can choose Win Download or Mac Download. Here I'll choose Win Download. Once it downloaded and finished installing, you can jump to the desktop to run it. Now I'll use it to unlock my lock iPhone. Double-click to open the software. Now you can see 3 parts on the interface. Click on White Passcode panel. Next, hit the Start button. Follow the instruction. Connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. If your device cannot be recognized, you need to put your phone into recovery mode first to let the program detect it. If you have an iPhone 8 or later, press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button uninterruptedly, and then keep holding the side button. For example, here's an iPhone 11 in my hand and I need to place it into recovery mode. Volume up, volume down. Now keep holding the side button. You don't need to drag the slider to turn off your device. The iPhone will turn off automatically and show you the Apple logo. Don't let go of the side button until you see a cable point to a computer icon on the screen, just like this. Now, this phone is in recovery mode. If you have an iPhone 7, keep pressing the volume down and side button. Let the phone shut off and reboot with Apple logo. Don't release the button until your iPhone is in recovery mode. If you have an old iPhone 6s, iPhone 6, or older device, keep pressing the home button and power button. When you see the Apple logo appear, don't release the buttons. When a screen indicating a cable point to a computer, release the button. Okay, let's jump right to the program. Now you can see your phone has connected to the tool after you put it into recovery mode. Now you should select the corresponding information for your phone and hit the Start button. Then the iOS firmware package will be downloaded for your phone. it'll take a few minutes. Okay, once it downloaded, here will pop up a unlock confirmation window. Read the warning part seriously. 1. Removing the lock screen passcode will erase all your data. 2. Your device will be updated to the latest iOS version. 3. If Find My iPhone is enabled on the device, you need to enter iCloud password to reset the device after unlocking. Enter 0000, then click the unlock button. All your content and settings will be erased in this process. You can get them back if you have backups stored in iCloud or iTunes. Now you need to wait for a while to get your unavailable iPhone unlocked. Show you the Apple logo. When you see the hello screen, unplug your device from the computer. Let's go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. When you get to this apps and data screen, you can get your data and settings back by selecting Restore from iCloud Backup option, then enter the password of your Apple ID, choose a latest backup to proceed. Now it starts to restore your data and it'll take a while, depending on your backup data size. Once it's done, your iPhone will restart again and you can get your data back to the device. Here we go, we're back on the home screen, simple like that. Now, if your lock iPhone has set enabled Find My before, let's see the next method to unlock the iPhone by using Find My app, and it requires you have another iOS device, either another iPhone or iPad is okay. Here I have an iPhone 12, now I will open Find My app, tap device option at the bottom, then select your lock iPhone from the list. If your device is offline, it will be erased the next time you connect to the internet. Swipe up, then tap erase this device, then go on, tap continue button. Tap erase again to confirm. Here you need to enter your Apple ID's password. Make sure that it uses the same Apple ID with your lock iPhone. Now you can see your lock iPhone will remove the passcode on your disabled iPhone to restore it back to factory settings. When you see the hello screen, congratulations, you can use your iPhone as usual. If this video helps, don't forget to give us a thumb up. I'll be grateful if you subscribe. See you in next video.